Andrew Smith jispeċjalizza fit-tpinġija ta' xeni mill-pajsaġġ Malti u aċċetta l-istedina tagħna sabiex ikellimna dwar xogħlu u dwar l-aħħar wirja li tella.
There are 66 paintings in this exhibition. It's quite a large one. We chose the pieces based on, wanted a diverse range of techniques, palettes and feels and moods and emotions, and we also wanted a diverse range of locations as well. We've got all the corners of the Maltese islands, the urban areas, the villages, the countrysides, the valleys, the seascapes. We've got everything here. I'm quite happy with the selection on that account, and that's why we called it the scenic route, because we've got everywhere. The exhibition is mainly watercolour. There are other mediums. There is gouache, which is opaque watercolour. Now, the watercolour technique is mainly transparent and you can capture a really nice mood, whereas the gouache paintings are more focused on light and if you want to express better colour. There are pieces that you can look at here. Everyone's welcome to come on the opening days, which are on Wednesday and Sunday, so that's Wednesday evenings and Sunday mornings. And you can contact Gallery 23 as well for any private viewings.
Alexia and I always had this passion for art and always had a sort of, we've often discussed having a space we could offer for artists to exhibit their work. And when the opportunity came about to have this house, we decided to renovate it and restore it to offer it as a space for these artists. We opened in 2019. We actually had an artist who was very interested in finding a new space to exhibit her first solo, and that was Sarah Kalea. And with her in mind, we set up this project with a deadline to be able to host her first solo. We've had various exhibitions and they've all sort of come about in different ways. Very often we're approached by the artists when it comes to having a solo, but we also meet new artists all the time and discover their works when we visit their studios and approach them ourselves as well to use this space to exhibit. We also organize collectives every so often, which also depend. We either select the artists or whether it's teamed. Sometimes they come as a group because they work very well together, or we invite various people and ask if they would like to participate.